Hey, so what's up good people, welcome to this new unboxing video, and what you're looking at here is the TECNO Camon 18. This device is the successor to the Camon 17 that we saw TECNO unveil back in May this year. And yeah, they're now making the Camon 18 available in the Kenyan market starting this week, and this is what we're gonna be unboxing in this video. Yeah, so there you go, the Camon 18 text splashed right here at the tip of this packaging. Again, we have the Camon 18 text again on the this on the side. Some specs highlighted it here. 48 megapixels ultra AI ultra triple camera, a 6.8 dot-in display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, some 128 GB of internal storage, a Helio G88, and of course some 5,000 milliamperes battery with an 18 watts fast charge. Yeah, so this is what we're gonna be unboxing in this video. The color option we have here is, let's see, it's dusk gray. Yeah, dusk gray. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox the TECNO Camon 18. Let's see what we have here. Here you have this nylon cover right here on this packaging. Let's see. Also, make sure when you're buying one, there's a seal, just to make sure you're buying a genuine Camon 17. Camon 18. Just remove mine there. Let's see what we have in this box. Whoa, there you go. And the first thing you get to see here is the Camon 18 itself, with of course some specs highlighted here. The same specs we actually saw highlighted at the back of this box. So that's a 48 megapixels AI triple camera, a 6.8 inch dot-in display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. We're getting a Helio G88. I understand for the Camon 18 Premier we're getting a G96. So yeah, the first we are seeing on a TECNO phone, and of course some 5,000 milliamperes battery here with support for 18 watts. Yeah, so that's it for this phone. I'm gonna just remove this. Looks pretty cool, totally different from the previous Camon device we saw. So I'm gonna just power this on and show you what other things you are getting in this box. So that happens, let's see what else we have here. So there's the warranty card here. There's a warranty card here, 12 plus 1 month. There's a plastic case here, TECNO has added. Then we have the charging brick here. There you go. We have the charging brick. There's a smaller box here that I believe contains the USB Type-C charging cable, then a pair of earphones. There you go, just the standard earphones that we have seen on TECNO devices. Yeah, basically that's it in this box. I'm not sure if it's my review unit, but I can't seem to find any user manuals. So you're basically getting just the USB Type-C cable, a pair of earphones, the charging brick, a plastic case that TECNO has added here, yeah, and a warranty card that I showed you earlier. I'm sure you might be wondering what this is. This is actually, the Camon 18 launch invite that TECNO sent earlier. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, but that shouldn't be the focus here. Let's see what we're getting with this phone here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my setup and show you what this phone has to offer. So yeah, we managed to set our Camon 18 up. As you can see, there's a plastic case that picks a lot of fingerprints, as you can see pretty clearly, as you can see in this video. Well, we have some TECNO branding right here at the back, TECNO Camon right there. Then we have the camera, the main camera right here, of course, with the highlight being the 48 megapixels main camera. Right there we got some TECNO triple, text right there. On this other side, you have the volume button. Then you have the power button right here that also serves as the fingerprint scanner. Pretty fast, as you can see. Okay, works pretty fast. Yeah, then of course we have the 16 megapixels selfie camera right there. Then the 6.8 inch display right here. Then we have this temperature right here on the left side. This top is completely empty, nothing really here. Then at the bottom here you have the speakers, the USB Type-C port, and of course the headphone jack. Basically that's just it for this phone. Feels pretty light, not heavy. Let's see. And also it runs on iOS 8 based on Android 11, and of course TECNO has made some pretty good improvements on iOS. Pulling this down, for example, you have some shortcuts here. They're quite large. And I also need to mention that we're getting a 90 Hz refresh rate. The feel is pretty good. Understand the Camon 18 Pro Premier comes with a 120 refresh rate, so I'm really looking forward to experience that as well. But yeah, it's not really that bad. Of course, I have interacted with a lot of devices with a 90 Hz refresh rate, and yeah, so I'm basically getting the same experience on this device as well. Let's see some other features here. So the device is the TECNO Camon 18, the Helio G88, a 42 megapixels triple camera. The selfie camera is 16 megapixels, 128 gigs of internal storage, and of course some 4 gigs of RAM. The battery size is 5000 milliamperes. That is huge, so you're looking forward to experience that as well. Remember, as I said, TECNO has not released the official pricing for this device, but again, I'm going to be sharing all these details, including the pricing, availability, in the description section, or even in all the subsequent articles that we'll be doing about the TECNO Camon 18 Pro. Look at that camera. Doesn't really look bad. Let's see. And of course, we're getting some camera modes here. There's beauty, AI cam, there's film, video, AI cam, beauty, portrait, super night, which of course has become my favorite, with TECNO devices. There's some more camera settings right here. Yeah, this Google Lens right there. yeah, so basically this is it for this short unboxing video. Remember, we have going to be interaction with this device, you know, in the coming weeks, and you know, have our full review up, you know, again in the coming weeks. So sharing our experiences, what we like, what we don't like. And before I forget, I remember, as I said, Tecno has made some pretty good improvements on iOS. Like for this device, I'm seeing less pop-ups. I hope I'm gonna have the same experience when I connect this phone to my Wi-Fi. Yeah, of course, there's some pre-installed apps here. Games, there's Boom Play. Also app, there's the Ella app, the Google Assistant. I mean the voice assistant feature that you also saw on the TECNO Phantom X. The Hi Translate, Hi Party. A lot of pre-installed apps which I think you can also uninstall. But yeah, that's it for this video. Tell us your thoughts about the TECNO Phantom X, the TECNO Camon 18. Sorry about that. Tell us your thoughts. Would you buy it? Would you spend your money, you know, on this device? And what do you think about the overall design and the specs? Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.